Hi guys, welcome to this new channel. Tech is everything. So here we talk about anything that is tech, anything that is troubling you or anything that can be solved with tech. So recently I came about with this error while installing Microsoft .NET Framework. So I was trying to install 4.6.2 and this was the error that kept stopping me from going ahead. Did a little research and found out that this is essentially due to an old certificate of Microsoft that comes with Windows 7, which is no longer valid. And there's a very simple workaround with this is that you have to either try and update it to 4.8 or try and install the Microsoft certificate. And once you install the certificate, you should be able to run the installation again. I will show you, I'll give you the link of the certificate in the description, so you should be able to download the certificate and install it. I'll show you how to download and install, and then you can run the setup again. So let's go to this is the link from where you can download the Microsoft .NET framework. Currently the framework that is available is 4.8, and this is the link for you to download the certificate. So I'll put the link in the description. So just put the link here, press enter, you'll get a file, save it, and this is the certificate. So double click on the certificate, and you see this is the Microsoft root certificate. This is the one that is causing problems. So just install the certificate to open the certificate import wizard. Now you need to specifically put it in a store by clicking here, place the certificate in the following store, browse, and put it in trusted root certification authorities. If you don't do this, it will not work. You do not need to put it in personal or enterprise trust anything. It has to go in trusted root certification authorities. You click OK, ensure that trusted one, go to next, finish, the import was successful, and you're done. So now all you need to do is download this, install your .NET framework, and you're done. If you guys face any problem, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Cheers.